Here is my new table saw sled. It has a micro adjust fence, and I will show you how it works. The first part to the fence is this adjustable block. It fits in here, and I put a brass knurled nut on the end. And as you can see, it slides very easy, and you can lock it into place anywhere. The second part to this jig is this piece here. It again fits into the slot and is held with two brass knurled nuts. This one is locked. The other one is put on loose until you find the spot where you like to set it. Now, as you can see, when we turn it, the block moves. The thread is 24 threads per inch, and I've divided the dial into 8, so it makes for very fine adjustments, as you can see. To move it very quickly, I've attached a drill to the end, and there you see it moves very fast. To further demonstrate, I will make a few cuts and make a few measurements to show how fine it cuts. So here's my first cut. And there it measures in at 2.376. Now I will turn the dial one rotation. First have to loosen the nut. So I will turn the dial. That's one full turn. Tighten the nut, and I will cut it now. Here's what the second cut, and it's reading at 2.334.